What's up, YouTube?
Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing the boyfriend does girlfriend's makeup challenge.
I'm gonna be a makeup artist today.
The most he's done is see me do my makeup for like 5 minutes.
I never tried this.
Yeah.
It's my first time, but hey, I think I'm pretty good at it, so let's see the outcome.
So stay tuned.
I don't know what this is for, but I'm just gonna start with what I think is right. I think she's nervous, but I told her if she likes it, she has to go to work with it. So, I'm just gonna pick off this, and I'm just gonna start it off. I work at Sephora now, if you guys ain't know. You can turn your face this way, please. Thank you. So I'm gonna start off, I don't know where to start. I'm gonna start off here. I don't know where to start. Some darker. I'm bringing up my cheeks a little bit.
It's like you're painting my face right now.
Yeah. I don't know what this is for, but alright.
Oh my goodness.
Is this a bad idea?
I don't know.
Try not to get it in your hair. Okay. You feel like I'm like being too rough?
No.
Okay. I see her use this all the time. I just don't know what it is, so I'm gonna use it. Where's the stick?
There's no stick.
How are you supposed to use this? Finger? Yes. This thing is empty.
I know on the end of it.
Oh, this is the thing you put right here, right? Yeah? And then you gotta... Oh, then you do this. Hey, hey, hey.
It's coming out how like I do it.
Yep. Even better. I think I should do your makeup every morning. I should be a makeup artist now. Perfect. Look a little tan, but close your eyes. Alright. How she look so far, guys? Okay. This is so weird to me because I always see her doing this and now I have to do it. So, this is for your eyes up here. I'm just gonna assume it is.
If you want more colors, I have a that.
No, I can work with these. I'm gonna use this one. Sorry. Can I make that little curve here? Sheesh, look like you got black eye. Oh, funny. The little sparklers on your face. Now I'm going to do oh my god, this is so fun. Look like baby. Oh shit, now you look white. Sheesh, that glow. I don't know if her face is even or not. That's why I keep trying to turn this way. Your hair is like kind of in the way. Turn this side.
You're so cute.
Okay, you're not gonna call me that after you're done after I'm done with this. It's so hard to even it out. Look at it so far. How does it look so far? Now I'm gonna do some eyebrows.
Do them fleeky.
Oh my god. Why is it so flat? Oh, you gotta use it. Can I get like a rag and wipe it down? And,
No.
this is what it is.
Yeah, you can fix it up with concealer.
Does that hurt?
No.
How do I fix this up? It's not fixing.
This when you go to the...
Guys, it looks bad.
I can't wait to see this. It's not that easy what I do, right?
This is so dark. Can you look this way?
Yeah, but I want to show.
You want to see my mistakes? Okay. I'm a beginner, so...
You gonna become a beauty guru?
Yep.
It's so funny how concentrated you look.
I'm doing my job. Okay,
1 out of 10, how do I look so far?
I'll be right back. Let me grab more makeup.
All the makeup's on the bed right now. I like spread it out for him, but
So I have options.
yeah, obviously he doesn't know what is what.
This brush just look cool, so I'm using it. Looks like a little toothbrush.
I have a whole bunch of lipsticks in there if you want.
Yeah, but we got the Kylie Jenner lip kit over here, you know. MAC liquid lipstick in the Rogue colorway. Oh, shit, dark. Ah! This shit look like chocolate. This look like chocolate. You got Hershey lips. Look like you just ate a chocolate bar. Go like that. Rub it around like chapstick.
It's dry. This thing dries quick. I can kind of see myself in
Come on,
in your
stop
eyes.
talking. I'm doing your makeup. Stop moving your lips, please.
You should rub.
I'm trying to get in there so I can like color it in. Poppin', poppin'. Woo-hoo-hoo! I'm not following any rules today, by the way. Anything goes.
I'm scared.
Why is it like that?
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Close your eyes. Why is it doing that? Hey. Alright. Now.
Did you just brush it down? Oh! You want where? How do you want my eyes?
What?
Looking up, looking down, closed.
Look up. This is kind of fun, but it's scary at the same time because I don't know what the hell to do. You guys let me know in the comments how she looks so far. I'm not done yet. So I got this. Whatever the hell this is.
Better. Oh!
What?
You just dipped right in.
Oh, I wasn't supposed to do that? Okay.
I said it's supposed to be light. You know what this is for?
No. I thought it was the line on the food.
What line that you keep talking about?
That little line right here.
The glove?
Yeah. Just to go all around? This concealer?
This is not concealer.
Hey, we shiny over here.
What the?
She's not even the same skin tone anymore. What's this? Do you use any brush?
What do you think is the best part that you did on my face?
The best part? I would say the best part I did on her face is just that glow, you know? That sparkle. Sheesh. The eyebrows I kind of messed up on. Those things is messed up. They need a redo, but you know, it's my first time. This is the final product. She's gonna come up close now so you guys can see. Look at that.
I have no idea how I look right now, but
It's not bad, right, guys? Looks good to me.
can I see now?
She can look in the mirror now.
What did you do to my face?
It looks good. The only thing that's wrong with it is the
How
eyebrow.
did you get my eyebrows like this?
I don't know.
She's so glowing.
You glowing, right? She's glowing right now. They might see this. Sephora might see this video, want to hire me and stuff, but I don't do makeup, so.
1 out of 10, I rate this 1. Maybe a 2. A 2. A 2.
That's it.
Yeah.
How do you guys think I did?
I'm sorry, babe.
Comment down below. Let me know how I did, because I think I did great. Like I said, I admitted the eyebrows are a little, you know, off, but I think it came out very, very good for my first time.
So if you like this video,
That lipstick is dry.
So if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thumbs it up if you liked it. Comment down below if you didn't. Let me know what you didn't like about it. I know I'm gonna get those eyebrows a lot, so
give him some advice.
Give me some advice. Even though I probably won't ever do this again. She's never gonna ask me to do her makeup again after seeing this.
Give it a thumbs up if I should do his makeup. Comment down below that too, because that will happen.
If this video gets 30 likes, she could do my makeup.
Sounds fair.
Alright.
So, thanks for watching. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And see you next time with another video.
Peep that face! Peep that face! Peep this.
Bye.
What?